So I want to just make an update on the John Deere new air filter upgrade for the 1025R to the new version that I have the video out on. One of the guys that watch my videos commented, his name's Viking Whitetails, he commented that he was having problems with the cover coming off, and I see why. I installed this never taking this off, and what it is this bracket right here sits too high. As you can see, it comes up and it catches right here. This is for the old style, and I don't want to take this shield off completely, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to scribe a line across right here, and I'm just going to fold it down so it looks factory. So I will take this off and see the issue where this hitting here. You got to kind of pull this back a little bit to get it off, so what I'll do is I'm going to bend it flat. So we'll get to it. Alright, so what we'll do is we'll see what the issue is. So we're going to pull this out, and then you're supposed to turn it, and then you're supposed to pull this off. See, so what I'm seeing is Viking Whitetails is correct. This is hitting right here. So what we're going to do is I'll get this off, and I'll bend it. Alright, so first thing we'll do is we'll get this filter out of the way. Get the secondary out. So you can use anything. I used sheet metal bender, just a small handheld sheet metal bender, but you just have to bend this over flat, and I did it where it was level with this piece right here. Hey, I just bent that right over where it's level and put that over there. So now we'll put this back together and see how it works. And then we'll put this back on. I'm going to put it right like that. So now this clears. Got more than enough room. Now we can pull this off, rotate it, and it clears. Thanks for watching, and Viking Whitetails, thank you for pointing this out, because I would have noticed that when I went to change the filter one day, or at least check it. So thanks a lot, and thanks for watching my video.